Hello students, good morning to all of you. Yesterday we completed the first poem of our honeysuckle book, and this was the poem A House, a Home. I'm reading it once again. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It is a and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish act and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. And this was the summary which I had given you all yesterday. In this poem, the poet says that a house is made of bricks and stones and wood. It has windows and glass panes. It has caves and chimneys. It has a yard and tile floors. Every house has a number of doors. The roof is for shade as well as protection. On the other hand, a home is not the same thing as a house. Home is a place where family lives and where people share their love with each other, like brother, sister, mother, father, etc. And these were the two questions which I gave you all yesterday as homework. I hope you all have done it. Now I'm giving you all the answers according to me. A house is made up of bricks, stones, woods, etc. It has window glasses, a courtyard, etc. A house is made by loving and caring parents and children. It has members who understand each other. They love and care for one another or for everyone, for each self. My house is a structure of bricks, structure and tiles. It has beautiful window. Now the second one, the best thing about my home is that all the members are very loving and caring. There are no disputes, no quarrels among us. This is the definition, or you can say, according to my opinion, my house is a structure of bricks. It has tiles and it has beautiful windows, and according to me, my home is where all the family members live with happiness. They love each other, they care each other. Now here you can see the printed one. Again the same answer. A house is made up of what? It is made up of bricks, stones, hardwood, window glass and a yard. It has eaves, chimneys, floors, stucco, roof and lots of doors. It has a home also. A home is made up of family members, loving family members. It all depends upon you what you want to write. A home where we have a father, where we have mother, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and they all live in such an atmosphere. They make an atmosphere where we all love, we all cooperate each other with each other. This is the definition. It can be other definition according to you as per your opinion. Now yesterday I had even given you all few words. I'm giving you all the answers if you have not done it. Is a part of roof that meets the wall of a building, elevation of the roof. Chimney, a hollow structure that allows smoke to escape from building. Stucco, it's the plaster, the cemented plaster. And yard means an open place or area or garden. I had even showed you the pictures yesterday. I hope you have enjoyed, understood. Kindly do the work till we meet tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful day.